Liz Lumley of Finextra, and we're here at Mobile World Congress in Barcelona. And today I'm sitting down with Randa Bdeir of Bank Audi in Lebanon. Now, you're here because Bank Audi has recently signed a new partnership with MasterCard and a number of the telecom operators in Lebanon about offering a mobile payments service. Can you give us a bit of a rundown on that announcement?
This partnership was launched in this Congress, Mobile Congress. It comes as a new thing where the two telcos who owns, all the market in Lebanon and the biggest bank in Lebanon with MasterCard International, they came together and they make a good system which is NFC mobile payment. And this partnership was very successful because by launching this product, it will be available for every single person in Lebanon, and it can use any MasterCard card can be used on the SIM of the mobile, and they can use it to pay for the low value payments or any payments they would like to have.
So you mentioned low value payments. But what does this service mean for consumers in Lebanon? What is the bank trying to teach bank customers in Beirut?
Yes, because what we're trying to do with this project is that we're trying to take a little market from the cash market, not from the credit card market. In Lebanon, the credit card business is flourishing and it's growing and it's very good. But what we're trying to do, but we still, this part of the world, they have a lot of cash payment, especially for the low value payment. What we're trying to do as Bank Audi, because we have a responsibility, as you know, we are the first bank in Lebanon and we own half of the market. So when you are a big bank, you have the responsibility to educate the market, to let the people use less cash and more credit card. Me personally, I was the first person who introduced the credit card business in Lebanon and in Syria. And now I feel my responsibility is to, after introduction of the credit card, is to move into, to have more business from the cash market. So that's why the consumer will be able to go out of his house in the morning, having no cash at all, just getting his card and his mobile phone, where either he can use his plastic for big amounts, and small amounts he can just tap his phone on a special machine and just make tok and he pay and he's on his way.
So you mentioned that this has been launched with credit cards. Are there any plans to move it to other card types in the future?
The first launch will be with credit cards being embedded on the SIM of the mobile. The second step, we will move all the debit card holders to have their SIM, their chip, also embedded on the mobile, and then we move to the prepaid. By moving to the prepaid, we'll be able to tackle all the Lebanese market, because anyone can apply for a prepaid card. He will attach it to his mobile and he can use it whenever he wants.
Now, you mentioned that the bank has almost half the card market in Lebanon. What is the level of acceptance for the terminals that will accept the payment?
Yes, and it's also a part of our responsibility always to let the acceptance grow for MasterCard and for PayPass and contactless technology. That's why last year we launched the first contactless card, and at the same time we try to move this contactless machine readers to spread it all over the country. So now all the supermarkets, all the mini markets, all the department store, the pharmacies, the quick restaurants, everybody has a special machine. This machine where by using the mobile he just make tok and he would just move. So these machines are available now all over the place and will be available more and more to cover all the Lebanese territory. The thing also which I would like to add is that we begin with this project in Lebanon because you know, Lebanon has a special situation where it has only teleco, two operators, so it's easier to bring them on to the table with a MasterCard. And then we will move, after the success of this project, we are going to move this project to other countries where Bank Audi is there. We're going to move to Jordan and then to Egypt and then to Switzerland and to Paris, to Turkey. We have a very big market in Turkey. We have a bank there. And then we have the new license to operate in Iraq. And I think in Iraq it will be very good because the market is so virgin. There is no acceptance, there's nothing. So we'll begin this market by introducing those kind of payment with a mobile.